Hey guys, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change the battery on this Ford Edge right here. It's a 2019 Ford Edge. So you come to your car and your battery is dead. I'm going to show you how you open your door with the key. So this is the key. You can go ahead and squeeze this like this and turn it upside down. This will come out. Open the door like that. So once the door open like that, you want to go ahead and open the hood. So you want to open the hood right there. Come to the front, look for this yellow thing right here. Bring this like this, lift this up and put this right here. So that's what this yellow thing do. That hook right here. So if you want to jump your car, you want to connect your positive cable right here, your negative cable right here to jump the car, to start the car up. But because we're going to change the battery, we need to remove the air filter. So you need to remove this like this. Squeeze this right here, unplug this, and we're going to remove we're going to loosen this clamp right here, and it's going to be a flathead screwdriver down there. So you want to get your flathead screwdriver like this. So once you unscrew that, you can go ahead and push this back. As you'll see, it will come off. And then we want to lift this up also. Once this come out, what you can do, you can unplug this if you want, or you can just leave the air filter box right there and get towards the battery and get space to work on the battery right here, since that's what we're removing. So this clip, we need to unclip it from right here, which it looked like somebody already break that already. You need to unclip these. So they're not holding real tight, so you can just pull on it like that. So that's good so far. I'm gonna remove it's best to remove the negative cable first, but since we don't have access to that all the way over there, just be real careful. Make sure you don't touch the body of the car with whatever you're gonna use to remove this. It's gonna be 10mm. So be really careful, make sure you don't touch any part of the body. You can go ahead and remove this. You can pull up on this. So far we're going good. Now we need to remove the battery holder, which gonna be 10mm also. So this can't work, so I gotta have a ratchet handle and a 10mm. So I have a small ratchet handle. Going there. I should get a shorter one, so I'm gonna get a shorter one. Alright, this is what we got. you just want to remove both of them. And be careful not to touch this with anything, because the body of the car is still on ground. So if you can cover this, it will be good too, maybe with tape or something. So once you remove those two 10mm from down there, you can go ahead and lift this up and take it out. Now what you can do is pull the battery out towards you. So you just clear the wires so you can bring it out as much as possible, just like that. And just remove this. Once you loosen that up, that will come off. Lift up one side just like that. So guys, the battery it take is a size 46 or a H6. So I'm sorry, I said 46, not 46, it's 48. So you take a size 48 battery and also H6, whichever one. They are both the same battery, just different name from different company. So we're going to put the battery same way we take it back out, same way we take it out, and connect the negative cable first. So we're going to do it just like that. You can spray battery corrosion protection on it if you want, but I don't see no sign of corrosion, so I'm not putting any. But it's always a good thing to put. No. You can put it if you want. In. I'm just gonna leave this part on until I'm ready to put this on. Alright, so let's Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten up everything, 10mm. Alright guys, so since that's done, the next step is to put this on. So there's some grooves there, you just slide it back down, just like that. That you can bring up just like that. You can connect that. Get your 10mm. And that's it. The car will be able to crank. You guys always complain that I'm not cranking the cars, so I'm just gonna take it back off, and when I finish everything I just reconnect it, and then I go ahead and start the car up so you guys can see that you do not need to reprogram anything. I'll go ahead and connect this, turn this back. Alright. So it's time to tighten up back everything. So you want to double check your work, make sure everything is good. So everything is locked into place. Make sure you connect this before you connect the battery and start the car, so you don't have a code for that. And I probably have a code for low voltage because of the previous battery, but sometime when you take the battery off for a long time, even that code will go ahead and erase by itself. So just go ahead and crank the car up. So now we're inside the car, and the car cranked up. So the check engine light is on and the low tire pressure light is on because one of the tire light is low, but the check engine light is on. It was on before I changed the battery because of jumping, so I bet you it will say low voltage. I'm gonna go ahead and scan it. So we're just gonna scan for the check engine light. So as you guys can see, battery voltage, so it's all because of the engine code. The battery that was in it was no good, keep on dying, so I'll get that battery code. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase everything, and then it will crank up fine. So once you clear the code, you can go ahead and start the vehicle. So the code is clear, as you guys can see. Start the vehicle, there's no more check engine light, and the car is good to go. Please go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And also guys, if you change your battery and there's a check engine light, go to your nearest AutoZone. They will scan it for you. When they scan the vehicle, just tell them, hey, can you erase this code for me, and they will erase the code for you. So there you go, bingo. Peace out, see you next time.